Hello, this is Mr. Wan, and this is going to be the tutorial on how to change your line strokes and how to clean up and adjust your lines on Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so in order to do that, first you obviously need to open Adobe Illustrator. Okay, so I'm going to work on my Eagle door topper for this particular tutorial, and oh yeah, make sure to rename your layer. So my layer 1 is my rough draft. So, that's where my essential drawing is. And layer 2 is going to be my outline. Okay? So, this is going to stay locked, and you want to work on your outline layer. So make sure to click on that. And you want to click on the eyeball for your rough draft because, if you finish tracing your drawing, you no longer need the rough draft anymore. Okay, so to get started on your rough drafts or on your outline, looks like I need a box to box in my my picture. Okay, so make sure you use the rectangle tool. It looks like a rectangle. Sometimes it might be a ellipse tool, but change it to the rectangle tool. In order to do that, you gotta click and hold the mouse button and click to the rectangle. And you're just gonna make a rectangle to box in your drawing. So my drawing is like right here. I'm gonna box that in. Oops. Okay, if that happens, you gotta change your fill to none. Okay, fill to none, and okay, that should be fine. Okay, then now I'm gonna hide my rough draft. Okay, it looks like I made the line too long, so I'm just gonna do just adjust this one line here. Just clicked on it, and now I'm clicking and dragging, and now my lines look fine. Okay, so once you're done with the drawing, the one thing you want to do is you want to actually zoom in. Zoom in is Command plus, Command minus to zoom out, and you just want to scan your picture. Okay, look at it from top to bottom, left to right. Make sure everything looks complete, and you want to make sure to clean up some of these areas. So in order to clean up these lines, connect this line with that line. You don't have to draw another line to connect it. You can actually move these lines around. So to move that line, you click on the direct selection tool. Click on the line you want to work on, and then click on the point, and you just click and drag, and you can move that line. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in a little closer, and you can use the hand tool to move your picture around. And we'll click on this line here. And with this line specifically, I'm going to click on the curb. Okay, so that doesn't look right where the red is, but if I click on this point here and drag it, it looks good. So you click on the last point, click and drag and move, and you just want to scroll around your entire picture, just cleaning up areas. You just want to be nitpicky with it because when you have someone looking close up at your drawings, you don't want to have these mistakes showing up in your picture. Alright, so looks like we got something here. And alright, let me look at my eagle. Whoops. Okay, so it looks like I'm going to have to refix some of these lines, but I'm just going to move to my eagle, see everything's good there. Okay, so this eagle, it's like some areas could use fixing, but you just want to go through your whole picture and make sure everything looks good. I'm not going to fix everything because I can spend the whole time just cleaning up everything. Okay, now let's talk about changing your line weights in the picture. Okay, you just want to click on the selection tool and click on the line. And once you click on the line, you have control of the line that you made. And then all you're going to do is on your strokes, you're just going to change the width of it. Okay, so typically it looks nice if areas that you want to pop out in your picture, you would make those lines darker. Okay, so I have like this hat here. Like it's supposed to pop out closer to you, so I'm going to just make that line thick. And this line here, I'm going to do the same thing too. And sometimes when you outline just the edges, it makes it look more interesting to look at. So I might leave this on 2, this on 3, this on 3. Whoops. Maybe leave this on 2 because it's more inside the picture. You know, just play around with those different line weights. You know, it'll make the picture look more interesting to look at. And then also when you get to your coloring too, it's going to make things a lot easier on yourself. Again, these glasses I'm going to make them real thick because I want to use some thick frames. So I'll change this to 5. Okay. So, you know, you're just going to go back and forth and just change these. Change the thickness of it. And, yeah, that's how you're going to just change the thickness of the strokes. And, you know, now it makes the image look more interesting to look at. Okay, and that's a tutorial on how to adjust your line weights in Adobe Illustrator.